Hi guys, myself Sadashiv Amar. I am currently been studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today let's discuss topic about heart functioning and its diseases. Heart. The heart is a muscular organ sustains life by pumping blood throughout the circulatory system, comprising of four chambers, two atria and two ventricles. It orchestrates the cardiac cycle, coordinating the rhythmic contraction and relaxation that propel blood. Deoxygenated blood flows from the body into the right atrium, then to the lungs for oxygenation and back to the left atrium. Oxygen-rich blood is pumped to the body tissues through the aorta. Electric impulse from the heart conduction system regulates its beat, vital for nutrition delivery, waste removal, and adaptation to activity. The heart's intricate function maintains the body's physiological equilibrium. Heart functioning. Heart functioning involves the coordinated process that maintains the blood circulation and oxygenation delivery. Blood low in oxygen returns to the heart's right atrium, moves to the right ventricles, and is pumped to the lungs for oxygenation. Oxygen-rich blood enters the left atrium, travels to the left ventricles, and is pumped to the body throughout the aorta. The heart's electrical signal control heartbeats, synchronizing atrial and ventricular contractions, ensuring efficient blood movement, heart rate, rhythm, and blood pressure. Adapt the activity levels. Nutrient and waste exchange occurs in capillaries, supporting vital body functioning. Proper heart functioning is vital for overall health and well-being. Let's have a look into the diagram. Here we can see the right ventricles, atrium and left ventrium, aorta, pulmonary arteries, superior vena cava, pulmonary valves and left atriums, pulmonary veins. About heart. Heart chambers overview, atria, receiving chambers, ventricles, pumping chambers, deoxygenated blood pathway, oxygenated in lungs, oxygen-rich blood pathway. Heart chambers overview. The heart comprises of four chambers. Two are two heart atriums and two ventricles. Right atrium and left atrium. Right ventricle and left ventricle. Hmm. Atrium and ventricles. Atria receives the blood from the body and lungs, while ventricles pumps out the blood. This division supports efficient blood circulation and deoxygenation blood. Atria, receiving chambers. The atria receives deoxygenated blood from the body, right atrium, and oxygenated blood from the lungs, left atrium. They contact to transfer the blood to ventricles. Ventricles pumping chambers. Ventricles pumps blood from the lung and the body. Their powerful contraction maintains the blood flow, ensuring oxygen and nutrients-rich tissues. We can have a look into the diagrams. Deoxygenated blood pathway. Deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium from the veins, flows to the right ventricles, and is pumped to the lungs via the pulmonary artery for oxygenation. Oxygenation in the lungs. In lungs, deoxygenated blood releases carbon dioxide and gains oxygen through capillaries, uh, transforming into the oxygen-rich blood. We can see capillaries in last diagram. Oxygen-rich blood pathway. Oxygen-rich blood returns to the left atrium through pulmonary veins, flow to the left ventricles, and is pumped into the aorta. The aorta distributes oxygenated blood to body tissue. The diseases which are caused to the heart. Some examples. Coronary artery disease. Arteries supplying blood to the heart muscles narrow due to the plaque buildup, reducing blood flow and potentially causing chest pain or heart attacks. These diseases causes chest pain and heart attacks. Heart attacks. Yeah, heart attacks occurs when the coronary artery is blocked, leading to the death of part of the heart muscles due to insufficient blood supply to the heart. The nerves are blocked, which are blood flow to it through it. Heart failure. The heart pumping ability weakens, causing build up in the lungs and other body tissues. Shortness of breath and swelling may result. Hyperten- Hypertension, high blood pressure. Prolonged high blood pressure strains the heart and blood vessels, increases the risk of heart diseases, strokes, and other complications. Peripheral artery disease. The blood vessels outside the heart narrow off, often in the legs, leading to the reduce of blood flow, pain, and potential tissue damage. Tissues are damaged in this. Several medical devices used to support and maintain the proper heart functioning. Uh, uh, Pacemaker. A pacemaker is a small device implemented in the chest to regulate the abnormal heart rhythms. It emits electrical signal and stimulates the heart to beat at a normal pace. When the heart functioning is slow or heartbeat is slow, pacemaker releases an electrical signal to the heart and it maintains the normal phase. Stents. Coronary stents are placed in the narrow or blocked coronary arteries to restore the blood flow, often used to conjunction with an angioplasty. It is a mesh-like structure. It is inserted into the nerves, which are blocked through high fat contents or other substances. Stents are a mesh-like structure inserted into the nerves. Several medical devices are used to observe and monitor the heartbeat. Electrocardiogram (ECG). An ECG records an electrical activity of the heart over a period of time. Electrodes placed on the skin detect the heart's electrical signal, producing the graph (ECG waveform) that shows the heart rhythm and any abnormalities. In ECG mission, it displays the graph-like structures according to the heartbeat. Blood pressure monitors. While primarily used to measure the blood pressure, modern digital blood pressure monitors often includes the heart rate measuring function. We can see the BP machines in hospitals to measure the BP. Thank you.